Alright, what is up guys? I've been back with another video. Today I have some good news and some bad news. If you've seen my latest video about the crankshaft positioning sensor, if you haven't yet, you can go check it out right here up top. I'll leave a link. But if you have, I explained how the car hasn't been really starting correctly, and the code I was thrown, the code that the engine was throwing at me was P0345. And for some reason, when I went to O'Reilly's and they scanned it for me, they told me that that was my crankshaft. Come to find out, that's actually my camshaft. I don't know how the confusion was there, but apparently it was. So I ended up buying the wrong part. Like I said, it was 46 bucks, which if you have a problem with your crankshaft, 46 bucks is really nothing. It's my camshaft. So I'm going to show you guys how to change that now. And I bought this one for 76, so with tax it was like 80 bucks. So it was a little more pricey, unfortunately, but this one's going to be a little more difficult to get to, so I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do this. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what my car has been sounding like when it starts up. Since I'm filming now, it probably won't do it, but I'm going to go ahead and try it so you can kind of hear it right here. So, yeah. Of course, it starts right up like it always does, but yeah. Basically what it's doing, when I turn the key, it starts cranking like it doesn't want to start, and then it eventually will, but I don't like that, so we'll go ahead and fix that now. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to do is take the sensor off. We went ahead and did that because it was actually a real pain in the butt, but I'm going to show you how we did it so it'd be easier for you. So if you want to take a look, if you want to look right down in here, it's a very tight spot, but I'm gonna do my best to show you. Okay, so see this green tab? That right there, it connects to your sensor. So let me grab it real quick. So if you can see my finger, I'm pushing, let's see, it goes in like that. I'm pushing down. I know it's very hard angle, but I'm pushing down on that green part. Okay, so I know that's a really hard angle to see, but basically what you're going to do is when you find that green tab, you're going to press down on it. So press down and then pull up. So mine was very, very tight. It's very complicated to get to, but that's all you got to do. Just pull down, or push down, and then slide that whole thing up and it'll come off. After that, all you have is a 10mm bolt. You just pull it right out. So we're going to show you that now. I'm going to do a 10mm with your 1/4" ratchet. I'm doing a deep socket because that's going to give me more leverage on it. You can use an extension if you have that, but deep socket's going to work for me. You're going to go right down in here. I'm going to try my best to show it, but so you're just going to find your tab right here. Then you're going to find the bolt, which is right next to it. Okay, got the bolt out. And hopefully now it should just pop right out. There we go. Alright, and there we go. Oh wow, that's got a lot of oil on that. I don't think that's normal. Is that normal? Alright guys, you want to take your nice fresh camshaft position sensor, and this one's gonna see, it angles up, so you're gonna slide it in, and the tab's gonna kick right here. You get your bolt right on the side, so that's basically it. We're gonna go ahead and put it back in. Gotta find that hole. Oh look, it feels oily in there.
Yeah, so it's probably in there because it senses for abnormal camshaft vibrations. So it's probably in there pretty close to the cam. So I wouldn't doubt it got oil on it.
Popped it in. Let's get that bolt screwed in. Okay, I'm gonna tighten her up. Alright. Now you're just going to want to take that the connector and just put it right back on top. Where's it at? There it is. it actually should click twice. So you hear one click, that's what I got halfway, and you hear the other click, and then you're good to go. So I'm all tightened up. Don't know what's going on back there. But we're gonna go ahead and start the car. Maybe, hopefully have a better start up now. Alright guys, so I'm currently in the car still, and just trying to see if it's gonna die on me like it's been doing. Because what I'll do is I'll sit here and then maybe at a stoplight or just in the parking lot, and it'll just shut off just completely. And then my engine light comes on, my traction control light comes on, and my slip light comes on. So right now I'm idling at less than 800, which doesn't seem normal to me. And whenever I rev it, it comes back down, just drops, and acts like it's gonna die, and then comes up. So I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about here. So let me just put my camera around, but watch this. So, alright, so as soon as I rev and the RPMs go up, when it just drops and acts like it's gonna die. So try to listen for it. Hear that? It kind of like, I don't know how to describe it. I think I'm describing it right. To me, that doesn't seem normal to be idling at less than 800. See, it's doing it, just sitting here, it kind of just drops like it just did. I don't know what the problem is. Now, I only replaced the, I guess call it the driver's side of the camshaft. There's two of them. I was told I should do both at the same time, but the code was only throwing up the one, and since it's kind of expensive, I only did the one. But I might do the other one later. I'll keep you guys updated, because this isn't really good to have this problem, because it's actually it's hard for the car to start up, and I don't know why it's acting like this still, even after just replacing it. So if you guys know any information I should know about, please let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that button right now. It helps me out so much, guys. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and give this video a fat thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, and I will make sure to answer them. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
One step is all it takes to get us